everyone. My name is Christine Elona. I will now show you how to do paired sample t-test in SPSS. So before we proceed, we will now define what is a paired sample t-test. Okay, paired sample t-test is used to determine whether the mean difference between paired observations is statistically significantly different from zero. Here, the participants are either the same individuals tested at two time points or under two different conditions on the same independent or on the same dependent variable. So in paired sample t-test, there are four assumptions. And so we will now begin on the demo on how to do the paired sample t-test in SPSS. So now we will open the SPSS and then we have to open this data. Then we will choose these data sets, then click OK. So as you can see on the screen, I already opened a data sets. So these are the values, the data view, and this is the variable view. So these data, these are the distance run by the participants after drinking carbohydrate only drink. And these are the values run by, or the distance run by the participants drinking a carb protein drink. So each row is the value of each participant. So let's go to the variable view. So here in variable view on label, we have to label this as um, distance run in carb only drink, and this is the distance run in carb protein drink. So these two are the name of the variables. So the measure of the dependent variable should always be on scale. And here the role should be none, both. I mean none for the carb and none for the carb protein, the role. So the next we will check is you have to calculate the difference score automatically using the SPSS. So it is needed to check the assumptions on a homogeneity and assumption on outliers. So let's proceed. We have to click transform, then go to compute variable. So here in target variable, we will type difference. So this will mean that the newly created variable is called difference. We have to um, then we have to calculate the difference between the related groups here in numeric expression. So we have to type carb, protein minus carb. Then we will click OK.